In this lecture, we will try to understand few important methods. First one is, this method name is substring method. What is this substring method? This S must be small letter. If you speak strictly, S is small letter. Substring. This method name is substring. Let me say argument is int num. With this method, I can say this method, what is the purpose of this method? This method, we can extract, this method extracts a part of a string. Substring means what? A part of a string. We will try to understand with the help of simple program. This method returns, returns, what it returns? This method returns part of a string, part of a string starting from index number. Starting from index number. Starting from index number. Index number, what is that index number? Num, from that particular num, isn't it? This is also overloaded in which class? In a class known as string class. That's what we were discussing, isn't it? This is string method, substring method. We will try to understand. There is another method known as value of method. This static method returns a string. This static method, we know what is static method. I already discussed, isn't it? This static method returns a string. That's the purpose of this particular value of method. Using this method, we can convert any data type. We can convert any data type. We can convert any data type. We can convert any data type and object. And data type and object. We can convert any data type and object into a string form. We will try to understand. For example, let me say int x equal to 10. What does it mean? Can I say string space str1 is equal to string, how can I say? String dot value of O is capital in value of x. What is the purpose? This converts, x is an integer type, data type. We can convert any data type and object into a string form. This x will be converted into a string form. In similar manner, date space d equal to new date. Date space d equal to new date, isn't it? String str2 equal to string dot value of let me say d, isn't it? What will it print? Value of d means this date will be converted into a string form, isn't it? That's the purpose of this value method. There is another method. What is that method? Length method. This method returns the number of characters. The number of characters present in the string. isn't it? That is length method. Anyway, we will try to understand all these methods with simple example. Just see this one. This is simple program. What it says, class space class name is substring. This is string str1 equal to S Nageshwar Rao. Size of string str1 dot length. What is this size of string? Is 13. What is length method? We already discussed. What is the purpose of length method? This method computes, length means this method returns number of characters present, number of characters present in the string. How many characters present in this string S Nageshwar Rao? In this string str1 S Nageshwar, there are 13 characters. That's why you are getting output 13. Extracting from fifth character str1 substring. We already discussed what is substring. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Where is fifth one? Swarao. Just see, extracting from fifth character. What about next one? Next one says str1 dot substring 2 comma 5. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. 2 comma 5 means till 5 minus 1, 4. 2 comma 4. What is that 2 comma 4? 2, 3, 4. That is age. Just see, it is displaying age. Is it not? Yes. This is about substring. Class space, class name is converting to string. Int x equal to 10, double d equal 10.5. Date today equal to new date. I already discussed about this value of method. This is static method. This static method returns a string. What it returns? It returns a string. This particular method returns a string, isn't it? Using this method, we can convert any data type and object into a string format. Anyway, x is a variable, that integer variable will be converted into string format, and we are storing in str1, and d is double type variable. We are converting that one into string, and we are storing in str2. And today, what is this today? Date is date class namespace. Today is object, date object. That one also I am converting in the form of string by using value of method. Just I am displaying str1. What is this? str1 10, str2 10.5, str3 is, that is September 23rd. This it's displaying date, nothing more than that. It is simple program. Just let me show the demonstration once so that we can understand. Just go to command prompt, JAVAC space substring demo.java. How can I run this program? JAVA space string demo. This is the output, isn't it? There is another one. What is that? Another one, JAVAC converting to string, and this JAVA space, this 10.5, Wednesday, September 29th today. Just this is simple output. Anybody can understand. Just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.